And very good morning, students. So on today we'll continue our exercise 2.2, okay, of the second chapter. Okay, as I already explained you and we have solved already first question of exercise 2.2. Now the second question of exercise 2.2. Okay, and the question is the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? Okay. So as I explained before, that first of all you have to consider which thing as a variable. Means पहले किस चीज को वेरिएबल बनाना है. ओके, अगर मैं आपको एक ही वेरिएबल का कंसीडर करना है. So here I am taking the variable any of the thing. You can take length or you can take breadth, whatever it may be. So I am considering the breadth as the variable. So let the breadth of pool be d and the unit is meter. So b meter. Understand or not? Here I am considering b as the variable. M stands for the meter. M meter के लिए और b here we are considering as a वेरिएबल. फर्स्ट स्टेप क्लियर हो गया. आप लेंथ भी ले सकते हो, आप ब्रेथ भी ले सकते हो, आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर लेंथ लो या फिर ब्रेथ. ओके, नाउ स्टार्टिंग विद द क्वेश्चन. तो देखो यहाँ एक कंपैरिजन दिया गया है बिटवीन द लेंथ एंड द ब्रेथ ऑफ द पूल. क्या दिया गया है? इट्स लेंथ इज, इसकी लेंथ कितनी है? सो इट लेंथ इज 2 मीटर मोर देन ट्वाइस इट्स ब्रेथ. मींस उसकी लेंथ जो है कितनी होगी? 2 मीटर ज्यादा होगी twice its breadth. Suppose breadth है हमारा 5 मीटर, तो 5 मीटर को twice करते हैं हम, तो कितना हो जाता है? 10. 5 2s are 10 और उसको plus 2 means more 2 means plus 2 करते हैं तो हो जाता है 10 plus 2 that is equal to how much? 12 मीटर. तो यहाँ पे हमें एक इक्वेशन means एक कंपैरिजन बताना है between the length and the breadth of the pool. Okay? So here this is the breadth of the pool and this one is the length of the pool. So length is equals to, now what is the comparison between the length and the breadth? So how much it is? Twice its breadth. 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Means twice its breadth means 2b. And how much meter more? So it is plus 2 meter. So this is the value of the length. Length कितनी होगी? Twice breadth more 2 means 2 meter more than twice its breadth. That's why we are taking 2b plus 2 meter. Okay. So here we already considered the breadth as b meter and the length as 2b plus 2 meter. Okay. Understand or not? Now original question देखते हैं. So what it is written? The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. So perimeter of a rectangular, which shape is given to you? So the rectangle shape is given to you. And what we have to take? We have to take the perimeter of rectangular pool. So we have to use the formula for the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangular pool is equals to, what is the formula for the perimeter of rectangle? And the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay. So how much perimeter is given to you? So the perimeter given to you is how much? The perimeter is given to you how much? That is 154 meter. So 154 meter is equals to 2 multiplied by. Now put the value of length. The length की value in terms of breadth कितनी है? So it is 2b plus 2. So it is 2b plus 2 in this way. Instead of length की जगह पर मैं क्या रख रहा हूँ? 2b plus 2 क्योंकि length की value मेरे को कितनी मिली है? That is 2b plus 2. Why? Because this comparison is given in the question. That's why I am putting the value. So 2b plus 2 plus what is the value of the breadth? तो हमने यहाँ breadth को Understand or not? Okay. Now it is very clear. Now just see here. I am simplifying the equation. Equation मिल गया हमें. That is 154 is equals to 2 and here it is in meter. Okay. Now 154 is equals to 2 multiplied by now 2b plus 1b. So 2b plus 1b, that is, as I told you, when you have to add or subtract, you have to add or subtract the coefficient of the variable. So 2b plus b, that is equal to how much? 3b plus 2. Understand or not? Okay. Now just see here how you can simplify this one. Okay. Now just see here. Here 2 is in the multiplication with this term. Okay. If you want to change the side of 2, so it will go in the denominator of RHS. So 154. Therefore 154 upon 2. So that will give how much in the remaining bracket? 3b plus 2. Okay. Now by dividing 154 by 2, or you can use the cancellation method also. That is 2 7s are 40 and 2 7s are 40. So it will remain. So the answer is how much? 77. So therefore 77 is equals to 3b plus 2. Okay. Now I am changing the side. देखो यहाँ पर आपने जिस तरह पहले वाली एक्सरसाइज के अंदर इक्वेशन सॉल्व किए हैं, वही मेथड से यहाँ बहुत ही इजी इक्वेशन को आपको सॉल्व करना है. So therefore okay, 77 minus 2 is equal to how much? 3b. Now 77 minus 2, that is equal to how much? 75. So therefore 75 is equal to 3b. अब मैंने आपको बताया था कि LHS साइड हो या RHS साइड हो, कोई भी साइड आपको सिर्फ अकेला वेरिएबल ही रखना है. उसके साथ जो भी कोएफिशिएंट है उसको हटाने की ट्राई करो. तो यहाँ जो कोएफिशिएंट है उसको मैं साइड चेंज करूंगा तो कहाँ चले जाएगा? डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ LHS. So therefore 75 divided by 3, that will be what? The value of the brain, and that is b. So 3 25s are 75. So the value of b is how much? 25. So here we are obtaining the value of b. So the value of b, that is equal to, that is, b stands for breadth. So the value of b is how much? 25 meter. Okay. So what will be the value of the length? So it is given that length is equal to 2b plus 2 meter. That means what? You have to put the value of b, that is how much? 25 in this value of length. So length is equal to 2b. The value of b is how much? 25 plus 2 meter. So that will be how much? 2 multiplied by 25, that is equal to how much? 50 plus 2 meter. And the final answer is how much? 52 meter. Okay. So here we already obtained on the basis of the given question the value of the length and the value of the breadth. Means breadth हमारा आएगा 25 meter और length हमारा आएगा how much? 52 meter. Understand or not? Okay. ये दोनों ही वैल्यू को आप कंबाइन कर perimeter of rectangle से भी फाइंड कर सकते हो. Understand or not? Okay. So this is the final answer. That is the value of the length and the value of the breadth. Now proceeding to the next question. That is the third question. The second question, the third question is the base of an isosceles triangle is 4/3 centimeter. So here I draw a triangle whose base is how much? 4.3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 integer 2/15 centimeter. So what is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So first of all one thing, यहाँ कौन सा triangle है? That is isosceles triangle. And isosceles triangle, that means what? Two sides are equal. So here I draw a triangle in which base is 4/3 centimeter and the two equal sides. Okay, we don't know the value of the equal sides. What is the length of the equal sides? So here I am considering it as a variable, right? The length of that equal sides, that is considering as a variable. So let the length of equal sides be x centimeter. We don't know the value. Okay, so that's why I'm taking x centimeter. We have to find it. हमें उसे फाइंड करना है, इसीलिए उसको वेरिएबल कंसीडर किया है, उसकी वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं है. ओके, नाउ तो देखो फिगर एक्चुअली इस तरह होगा, x सेंटीमीटर और because both sides are equal and the base is how much 4/3 centimeter. Okay, now what it is in the question given to you that the perimeter of the triangle is 4 integer 2/15 centimeter. That means what? You have to use the formula for the perimeter of triangle. And listen here, for the perimeter of any of the shapes, that is nothing, that is the summation of all the sides. So here the same thing, here the perimeter of the triangle, that means what? The summation of all the three sides of a triangle. So the formula is perimeter of triangle is equal to the summation of all the sides. So what is the value of this side? That is x. So it is x plus another side, that is 4/3 plus the third side, that is also the same, that is x. Understand or not? Okay, now as it is given to you, the perimeter is given to you how much? 4 integer 2/15. So I will put the value of perimeter of triangle, that is how much? 4 integer 2/15. So here I am putting 4 integer 2/15 is equal to, now x plus x, that will give how much? 2x plus 4/3. Okay, now furthermore I will simplify this mixed fraction. ये कौन सा फ्रैक्शन है? मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन है, इसमें होल भी है और फ्रैक्शन भी है, इसलिए इसको मैं सिंपलीफाई करूंगा. एंड ऑल ऑफ यू नो द मेथड फॉर सिंपलीफाइंग दिस मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. So 15 fours are, that is equal to how much? 60 plus 2, that will be how much? 62. So 62/15 is equal to 2x plus 4/3. Understand or not? Okay, now I am rubbing this figure. Okay, and continue the answer this side. So now as I told you, you have to do the transpose. Why? Because plus 4/3 is here. So if you do the transpose, that means what? You have to change the sign. So I am changing the sign. 60, therefore 62/15 minus 4/3 is equal to how much? 2x. Understand or not? Now 15 and 3, you can use the method of LCM. Why? Because 15 जो है वो 3 के टेबल में आता है, इसलिए 15 ही LCM होगा. So therefore 62/15 minus, अब यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर मुझे 15 लाना है, that means what? I have to multiply डिनोमिनेटर with 5. अगर नीचे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना हो तो I have to also multiply in the numerator also. So 4 multiplied by 5/3 multiplied by 5 is equal to how much? 2x. Okay, therefore furthermore simplification, 62/15 minus 4 5s are, that is equal to how much? 20/15 is equal to how much? 2x. Now just see here 15 with the same, that means what? Both have the same denominator, जिसको हम like decimals भी बोलते हैं. So it is easier for you to do the simplification, that means what? Subtraction करना easy रहेगा. So therefore 62 minus 20/15 is equal to how much? 2x. That is equal to how much? 2x. Now doing the furthermore simplification, now 62 minus 20, that is equal to how much? 42. So therefore 42/15, that is equal to how much? 2x. Understand or not? Okay, now furthermore simplification, that check is both of the number, that is in the numerator and the denominator, दोनों ही किसी के टेबल में या किसी नंबर से डिविजिबल है. Okay, so I will check. So yes, that both of the number are divisible by 3. दोनों ही 3 से divisible है. That is 3 14s are 42 and 3 5s are 50. Okay, so therefore 14/5 is equal to 2x. As I told you कि अकेला x ही रहना चाहिए, अकेला वेरिएबल ही रहना चाहिए वन साइड. ओके, दैट मींस व्हाट? ये क्योंकि हम साइड चेंज करेंगे तो कहां चल जाएगा? इन द डिनोमिनेटर. सो देयरफॉर 14/5 multiplied by 2 is equal to x. 14/5 multiplied by 2, that is equal to x. So there will be you, therefore 14/10 is equal to x. Okay, 14 upon 10. This is the value of x. That is how much? 14 upon 10. इसका मतलब ये है the length of equal sides, जो ट्रायंगल की दोनों equal sides है, उसमें से दोनों ही sides की length कितनी होगी? 14 upon 10 and 14 upon 10. Understand or not? Okay. So finally I am writing here the answer. So the length of equal sides is how much? 14 upon 10 centimeter. Okay, so the final answer is 14 upon 10 centimeter. Understand or not? Okay. One question is sum of two numbers is 95. We don't know both of the numbers. यहाँ दोनों ही नंबर हमें पता नहीं है. Okay. So if one exceeds the other by 15, एक नंबर दूसरे नंबर से 15 प्लस है, मीन्स 15 ज्यादा है, इसकी वैल्यू प्लस 15 है. So find the numbers. दोनों ही नंबर की कितनी वैल्यू होगी? We have to find it. Okay. So we don't know both of the numbers. So let the first number be x. पहला नंबर में क्या मान लेता हूं? That is how much? X. Okay. First number is x. First number is x. Okay. Now the second one. First number तो मैंने काउंट कर लिया x. अब दूसरा नंबर क्या होगा? So for the second number we have to use this comparison term. यहाँ दोनों ही नंबर के बीच में जो कंपैरिजन बताया है उसको लिखना है. So let the second number be, okay, let the second number. So what is the comparison between the first number and the second number? So if one exceeds the other, means एक नंबर दूसरे नंबर से कितना 15 अमाउंट ज्यादा है. So let the second number पहले नंबर से 15 ज्यादा. That means what? Suppose एक नंबर मेरा 10 है तो दूसरा कितना होगा? 10 plus 15. That is how much? 25. एक नंबर मेरा 5 है तो 5 plus 15. That is equal to how much? 20. Understand or not? So here both of the number is given. Let the first number be x and the second number be x plus 15. Now what is the question given to you? Sum of two numbers means दोनों ही numbers कितना है? Sum of two numbers is 95. That is the first number plus second number that is equal to how much? दोनों ही नंबर का एडिशन कितना होता है? That is equal to how much? 95. Okay, first number plus second number. Because here what is thing is given the sum of means दोनों का summation. So first number plus second number that is equal to how much? 95. So what is the value of the first number? So the value of the first number is how much? X. X plus and the second number that is x plus 15 that is equal to how much? 95. Okay. So therefore x plus x that is 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. Furthermore solution changing the sign that is from 15 LHS to RHS. LHS से RHS को 15 ले जाते हैं. So therefore 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. 95 minus 15. So therefore 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. That is equal to how much? 80. Change the side 2. So therefore x is equal to 80 divided by x. So 2 4s. That is equal to how much? 40. So the first number is which one? 40. पहले वाला नंबर कितना होगा? 40. So 40 plus 15. That is the second number is how much? 55. Okay. So the first number is 40 and the second number is 40 plus 15 that is equal to how much? 55. Okay, so in this way the first number is how much? 40 and the second number is 55. 5. Okay, so this is the solution of the fourth question. Okay.